Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to add and manage contacts inside HubSpot CRM, which is perfect for small businesses in 2025. So step 1, log into your HubSpot account and go to the contact section on the top navigation menu. Step 2, you can click create contact and then enter the details like their name, email, phone number, and company. Step 3, you can assign a contact owner, add custom properties, or tag them with a life cycle stage like lead, customer, or subscriber. Step 4, to import contacts in bulk, you can click import and then I'll set up myself will help me get started and then import files from your computer. You can sync an app or migrate your data. Step 5, once imported, you can go to contacts, then lists, and to segment them based on behaviors, tags, or other filters. Step 6, use the tasks and notes tabs to assign follow-ups and add communication history for each contact. And now, you can start building stronger relationships using HubSpot's free CRM. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.